bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
Yes, converting a PDF bank statement to Excel can be done using PDF conversion tools or software. There are online services like Adobe Acrobat, Small PDF, or PDF to Excel which allow you to upload your PDF file and convert it to an Excel document. Alternatively, Excel itself can import data from a PDF and try to structure it. Open Excel. Go to Data tab. Select Get Data. Greater than from File. Greater than from PDF. Then navigate and select your PDF. This process may require a bit of cleanup afterwards to ensure data accuracy.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.